Now food be this.
Now food.
Jesus.
Sorry.
Jesus. Ah, see food. Oh boy. Come. Assam, take your time. Take your time, Assam. Ah, you know, say food, now food they make me smile. Now food they make my smile smile. This food sweet to Assam. Where you dey cook this food?
I guess secret ingredient.
What's your secret recipe, Assam?
I won't tell you.
You don't want to tell your hobby. But yeah, now come join me now. Come eat. No eat together. You come more before I finish the food. Though. You say the food small. This one said no go reach me. Please don't take so much time, I beg. I'll finish it too. It's not when I finish the food now. You say I'll not wait for you. Come and join me, baby. You are giving me food on time. I will be happy with you now.
Sorry.
You're just making me get angry because of food unnecessarily. What be this? Now cook? I know. Look at it.
No take.
I beg now, make a drink, no cook.